Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see Maharashtra State Board reduced syllabus details of 6th standard history and civics. Due to the COVID, Maharashtra State Board reduced syllabus up to 25% reduction is there. So students, let us see the 6th standard history and civics reduced syllabus details chapter by chapter and page by page in this video. Okay. As you know, there are total 11 chapters in history of 6th standard. Let me show you from chapter 1. That is the chapter 1 is the Indian subcontinent and history. In this chapter 1, students, let's discuss the part which I have highlighted in yellow color. This was removed, no need to read. Then page number 1. Coming to page number 2, there is no change. Coming to page number 3, chapter number 1, there is no change. Page number 4, again you can do this. The yellow color highlighted part was removed. And page number 5 it is as it is. Okay students, that's the chapter number 1. Coming to chapter number 2, sources of history, that is try this part, this was again removed. Do you know part, this is also again removed. Can you tell? These 3 was removed from page number 6. Coming to page number 7, no changes are there. Coming to page number 8, again there are no changes. In page number 9 also there are no changes, students. Coming to chapter number 3, the Harappan civilization, let us see. Page number 10 there are no changes. Page number 11 also there are no changes. And in page number 12, do this and observe. These two are removed. There is no need to read. Okay students. And again, can you tell from the page number 12 itself? Coming to page number 13, again try this part. This was also removed. And in page number 14, no change. That's the chapter number 3. Coming to chapter number 4, the Vedic civilization. In Vedic civilization, do you know part, again it was removed. No need to read. In page number 15, in page number 16 there is no change. Coming to page number 17, do you know part, again this was also removed. Coming to page number 18, let's discuss. This part was also removed. In page 19 there are no changes. Exercise part you have to do as like before. Coming to chapter number 5, religious trends in ancient India. Okay. So in page number 20 there are no changes. 21 also there are no changes. 22 also no changes. In page number 23, students, up to page number 23 there are no changes, and in 24 also there are no changes. So exercise as it is, student. So there are no reduced syllabus details in chapter number 5. Full chapter you have to read as before. Coming to chapter number 6, Janapadas and Mahajanapadas. Okay students, in this chapter number 6, coming to page number 26, 27 there are no changes. 28 also there are no changes. Again chapter number 6 also as it is. No syllabus reduced. You have to read as earlier. Coming to chapter number 7, India during the Maurya period. Coming to chapter number 7, India during Maurya period. Page number 30, there are no changes. 31 also there are no changes. 32 is also as it is. Coming to page number 33, it is also as it is. Page number 34, do you know part? This is also again removed, students. That's chapter number 7. Exercise part you have to do. Coming to chapter number 8, states after the Maurya Empire. So that is chapter number 8, states after Maurya period. So that is page number 36. There is no change. Coming to page number 37, these two Indo-Greek kings, Emperor Kanishka. These two were removed again. And do you know part? This was also removed in page number 37. In page number 38, do you know part, again? This was also removed. Coming to page number 39, again do you know part removed. And this continuation Nalanda University image. Okay students, and again bottom of the page, do you know part in page number 40. This was also removed. Exercise parts you have to learn. Do as it is. Coming to chapter number 9, that is ancient kingdoms of the south. In this you can do this part from page number 42 and do you know part from page number 43. These two are removed. Coming to page number 44, there is no change. 45 also there is no change. And coming to page number 46, students, again there is no change. Okay. In 47, do you know part, again this was also again removed. Exercise is as it is. That's the chapter number 9. Coming to chapter number 10, ancient India cultural. Okay, students. Coming to chapter number 10. Sorry, students. Coming to chapter number 10. That's it. So page number 48, there are no changes. 49, also there is no change. Page number 50, again there is no change. 51, also no change as it is. Coming to page number 52 and 53. So in chapter number 10, there are no reduced syllabus details. No topics were reduced. You have to learn as it is. Okay. Coming to chapter number 11, that is last chapter in history, 6th standard history, that is ancient India and the world. In this chapter, coming to page number 55, also there is no change. 56 also no change, students. In chapter number 11 also there are no reduced topics. So we have come to civics now. Okay, students. In this civics, let us see chapter number 1, our life in society. Okay, students. That is page number 59, there is no change. And 60, speak and write. This part again, which is highlighted in yellow color, was removed. And again try this part at the bottom of the page number 60, it is also removed. Coming to page number 61, do you know part, again it was removed. Exercise is as it is, you have to do. Coming to chapter number 2 in civics, diversity in society. Okay, students, let's discuss part and try this part from page number 63, it was removed. Coming to page number 64, no change again. Coming to chapter number 3, rural local government bodies. In this chapter 3, coming to page number 65, there is no change. 66 also there is no change. Coming to page number 67, again do you know part, this was again removed, which is highlighted in yellow color. And in page number 68, what would you do, this is also again removed. Coming to page number 69, there is no change. 70 also there is no change. Exercise part you have to learn as it is. Coming to chapter number 4, urban local government bodies. Page number 71, there is no change, no reduction in the syllabus. Page number 72 also no reduction. Coming to page number 73, there is no change, and 74 also there is a change. Why did the corporation do it? This part again they have removed, no need to read. Coming to page number 75, again do this. This yellow color highlighted part was removed. Again, do you know part at the bottom of the page. In page number 75, this was also removed. Exercise parts in all subjects and all chapters you have to do. Come to page number 76, there is no change. Yes, we have come to 5th chapter, that is district administration. In this chapter, page number 77, there is no change. And page number 78 also there is no change. Coming to page number 79, always remember and do you know. These two portions are removed topics. Page number 80, again the continuation of the 79th page was removed. Exercise part is as it is, students. So that's it, students. That's the Maharashtra State Board 6th standard history and civics reduced syllabus details. I have given here page by page. I hope you all like our video. Please subscribe to our channel and share to your friends also. Thanks for watching.